Hey friends, tonight I want to show you how to make peanut butter s'mores using the mini cast iron skillet and the Deluxe air fryer. I've gone ahead and got the air fryer set up to go. I'm going to use the roast setting, which is for 375 degrees, and I've set it for 5 minutes. We're going to start with that. I've actually not done this before, so we're going to see how much time we need. So what I've gone ahead and done is prepared homemade peanut butter using Pampered Chef's Deluxe cooking blender. I'm gonna pour a bunch of this peanut butter right on top of, right on top of the graham crackers. And then I've got these super cute, teeny tiny little marshmallows. I'm gonna sprinkle a bunch of those on the top. You can't have too many of these, right? And then just sort of spread this out. We're gonna take this and put it inside the Deluxe air fryer. I've got this on the middle rack and we're gonna start it. I'll show you guys a picture of the results in the comments.